Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to put ringtones, like sync them on your iPhone. It's pretty easy, and it's almost the same for Windows and Mac, so here it goes. So open up iTunes, then you pick the song you want to put a ringtone from. So let's say, okay, it's like Wake Up. Now, it won't accept any ringtones that take like more than 20 seconds, so we must edit the song. So let's say, you know what, BYOB. Okay, so let's say I wanted to start from, okay, so I want to start from 8 seconds, like for second 8, so I can hear it. And I want it to stop 20 seconds after, so I go to Get Info, Options, you tick Start Time with a V, then you put 8 seconds, point like 7, I don't know, whatever. Now copy this. It's important that you copy this, because we're going to use it later, so copy it. And then let's do like 20 seconds after, so let's go to 20, let's see, 7, 2 extra seconds. And then you go okay, and then each time you're going to play this song, it's going to start from that point. Now you right click it, create a C version, create it. And then you right click it, you show in Finder. Then when you have it, you can right click, delete, and keep file. That's really important. Keep the file. Then you go back to it and change the ending of the file from M4A to M4R. Okay, it's important. Then use M4R. Cool. Then drag it back to iTunes, and it will show back in this folder. And then as soon as you sync your iPhone, and it's done, and I'm going to put it from I'm going to go to Capture, then I'm going to go to Ringtone, it's going to be in a custom, so let's say BYOB. Now, from now on, as soon as we change it back, the song will start from this point and end at the point we set up before. So you're going to click it again. You see, it starts from the point. Now you're going to right click it again, Get Info, put it 0.0, 2.00, then the stop time, paste what we copied before, and uncheck it. Then click OK, and you're done. The song will start from the spot that it's supposed to be and end on the spot. Now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.